Hello, 'tis I, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls, and we're working in the bird journal, so I thought we better use a bird. The bird is a word. Yes. So, anyway, it is Monday, Labor Day. I don't know when you'll be seeing this, but I just have to say that it is pouring down rain outside, and there was no rain in the forecast. Let me repeat that. No rain in the forecast. You just think about that for a while. Anyway, I'm glad I'm in here. We're going to work in the bird book. I can tell right now this has to be trimmed. I know that's not going to be enough, because these, see what I'm saying? I can't trim him too much more. How much more till? Whatever, he's just going to have to stick out. I may have to do I dare take that washi tape off of there? I did it. I did. All right, we're going to think about him. But I know I want to make a pocket. So we're going to have a lot of sticky up things. Because if I do this, it's okay. It can stick up. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Situation normal. Just remind me at the end that I did this, because I don't want to stick those things in there yet. Okay. So I can just about imagine the amount of scrambling going on at the park. Okay, that's crooked, but is it more important to be allow me, because we got other things to do. So maybe I will do this. There. It's all right, right? Ain't nothing says that a bird thing can't stick up out of there. No, there's no way it would work. Did that. Oh well, it can just stick up. Just keep telling yourself that, Rebecca, it'll be fine. Everything's fine. It will be fine. Not crazy about how those embossings turned out. Okay, this looks fabulous. And I even like him just on that ledger paper. I hear nothing out there now. I don't hear the rain. Doesn't mean it has stopped. It means that it's not pouring. Big, bold, beautiful birds. What about, won't those look cute on there? Whoops. Whoops, I meant to do that. Okay. So, nope. Oh dear. Oh, it peeled. So let's all thank Mona for these wonderful bird things that are going in today. Very, very birdtastic. So we might do some more stickers on there later. Excuse me. So I want to put same. Oh, I got 4 of them. Oh my gosh. Awesomeness. Doesn't that look fabulous there? This is me remembering to peel my napkins. Doing it the let's make a mess way with my mouth. Okay. Beautiful. Let me get some glue. Regret this, it's just Mod Podge. I like to use the matte medium, but I need some more. I need some new matte medium. I'm going to remember to wash that brush. I ruined like 4 brushes. 4 more brushes, y'all. I sent all the ones out to their new mommies. Now I'm going to have 4 more new kids. Because I don't wash my brushes, but I'm going to wash this one. This is one Christiana gave me, all the way from Germany. Okay, so let's hit that with the heat gun just for a hot minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back to this page, and I'm going to put these stickers on, but I might color them in later. You just never know. Oh, I'm going to cover your toe up. That one there. Okay, after I get this glued in, we're gonna take a peek and see how many pages we have left. And I will be going back in with my Stabilo or my charcoal pencil, going around some images. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13 and a half. 14. 14, 15, 16, and 16. Let's say 17. And if we do something on the sides here. Okay, we got enough. We got enough to keep going for a long time. So let's put that up to dry. I'm just going to use my old sign. Please subscribe. I need friends. We'll just keep on keeping on. And I still haven't gone through everything from Mona. So I'm going to get my stuff back in order. Oh, we didn't put Cock Robin in. Okay, cut. Right there. Who killed Cock Robin? The world wants to know. So take one away from whatever that total count was. It's Cock Robin's going right there. Okay. Now. Anyway, I was saying, I got all these, a bunch of these from Mona that I haven't gone through. So there may be birdie stuff in there. I don't know. So anyway, thank you. We'll reboot this. Please subscribe. I need friends. And I'll see you next time. Love ya.
Say hello. Say cheese.
Say cheese. You're just up there dancing.
Say hello.
Peekaboo, you. Yeah, he's so pretty. How old is he?
He's 27 now.
Holy cow, you're old enough to drink, buddy.
No, he just had a birthday.